reasons kung bakit sulit balik-balikan ang food club. It's another day, another blessing. And for today, nandito kami ngayon sa Quezon City. And syempre, pinuntahan namin ang food club dito. Located lang sa may Fisher Mall. And I will tell you guys kung bakit kahit nasa South or nasa North man kami ay hinahanap-hanap namin ang food club. Number 1, they have 100 plus dishes from different ulam to drinks to dessert at kahit ano pang trip mong kainin sa buhay. They also offer food from different cuisine. Number 2 is affordable. Dahil for as low as 698 pesos is you can enjoy all the dishes in food club. Number 3 is perfect ito for all occasions. Pwedeng pang family celebration or barkada bonding. Number 4 is they also offer a lot of promos. Meron silang birthday promo, they also offer student discount, and many more. And syempre, number 5, they are for all ages. Sure ako na mag-e-enjoy ang mga senior ng family, kahit pa ang mga titos and teens at kids. And syempre, kahit ang mga kids at heart. Kaya what are you waiting? Visit Food Club na. They have branches in Alabang, in Pasay, and syempre here in Quezon City Fisher Mall. Thank you guys. See ya!